Need domain admin access for a short task? SmartPT JIT lets an administrator grant it for a defined window without leaving the user permanently privileged. The domain admin's JIT role is the reusable access profile. It maps to the existing domain admins group and allows manual access for up to 60 minutes. Assignments decide who receives the role. In this example, Jim grants Tamir temporary domain admin access for a specific administration task. The assignment type is manual. That means the administrator is granting immediate access, with the duration enforced by SmartPT. The reason is captured for audit, and the duration is set to 60 minutes. This creates a clear operational window for privileged work. After the assignment is created, SmartPT starts the session immediately. The session now has a start time, an end time, and a remaining duration. Active Sessions is the live operational view. Administrators can see Tamir, the domain admin's JIT role, the manual type, remaining time, status, and revoke. In Active Directory, Tamir is now listed in domain admins. This is the privileged target, but it exists only because the JIT session is active. SmartPT records the assignment and enforcement events. The Core Console gives administrators visibility across JIT activity and other SmartPT product actions. Use manual domain admin access for short, specific tasks. Keep the duration limited, document the reason, monitor the session, and revoke access when the work is complete. Next, review Help Desk Elevation with SmartPT JIT to see the same temporary access model applied to lower-risk operational roles.